So the plant I'm about to show you, you've probably heard of, especially if you subscribe to Dr. Sebi's information, Dr. Gary Knoll, or you're into healthy foods. And if you notice, I want to show you this plant because it grows all over the place. It's a common so-called weed, but it's so nutritionally dense, it's very useful. It's in the quinoa family, and it produces a seed similar to quinoa that can be used in the exact same ways. Very versatile. The leaf is extremely high in iron and magnesium. Okay. If you're familiar with quinoa plants, then it may be easier for you to identify this because it'll have some similar features. We call it lamb's quarter or pig foot. Let me show you real quick. These. Look at these. Look at the. Some people call it goose foot. So the pattern of the leaf is almost lanced. Shit, can you see that? And the edges are serrated. Get a good look at them. I hope you all can see those well. And when you look at them, they'll have like almost a silver shine to them. That's because of trichomes that's on them. It traps water molecules, making it look almost translucent and shit. Or not translucent, not like a little shine, like diamonds or something. They'll grow. Not these, not this shit. They'll grow to about 3, 4 feet, some of them. Maybe like 3.5 feet. And they'll produce a seed that you can eat, used for flour, just like quinoa. Alright, so don't pull it. If you pull it, eat it.